In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into accounts with Bitwarden Password Manager. Whether you're a business professional, an enterprise user, or simply someone looking to manage personal accounts more effectively, Bitwarden provides a versatile solution for securely managing your passwords. So, let's dive into the simple steps to get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Bitwarden website. Open your preferred web browser and type in bitwarden.com. This will bring you to the homepage of one of the best password managers out there, tailored for both personal and business needs. Once you're there, look for the Login button. It's typically in a prominent location on the homepage. The Login option is your gateway to securely accessing your saved passwords. Now, you've reached the Login page. This is where you need to enter your Bitwarden credentials. If you've signed up already, go ahead and enter your email and password. It's crucial that you ensure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible to maximize security. If you're new to Bitwarden, you might need to click around to sign up first and create these details. Once your details are filled in, you have a couple of options to proceed, depending on what your account prefers. You can either use a traditional password, or, if your organization supports it, you might have the option to log in using a passkey or single sign-on. A passkey is a convenient, modern way to ensure security without having to remember yet another password. Single sign-on, meanwhile, allows you to log in using credentials from another platform, streamlining your access across multiple services. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Bitwarden vault. This vault is the central hub where all your credentials are stored securely. Here, you can manage, update, and organize your passwords as needed. It's the end point of your login journey, but just the beginning of what you can do with Bitwarden. From this vault, you can add more items, check your password strength, or use the autofill feature to seamlessly log into other accounts. In conclusion, logging into Bitwarden is a straightforward process. Yet it is a crucial one that ensures all your sensitive information is stored and accessed with the utmost security. With these steps, you can navigate Bitwarden confidently and start managing your digital life with ease. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more features Bitwarden offers, optimizing your password management experience even further. That's it for today. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next video.